Hello guys, welcome back. This is going to be one additional video in the Claude AI playlist. This is going to be the video number 11. There is going to be a 10th video about Claude AI connectors. As I mentioned in the connectors video, I will be switching into the Claude desktop. Why do I need to do that? I will explain you something about that, and I will show you also the desktop version of it and what is different. And I will show you first with the free version, and also I will show you after I will be again logging out the free version and showing you the pro version also, what is the difference there. Here you can see this is the free version. How to download the desktop, or why do we even need to do it? I said you that there are other functionalities also in this Claude's application, because the desktop version will be an application. The Claude Cowork and the Claude Code, we can do it from the desktop version. Although there is this Claude Code, and that is going to be experimental or in the preview in the browser version also. I think it's better to have it in the desktop version. I will just search here about this Claude desktop. And the first link here, it says download Claude. This is bring Claude to your desktop. Claude stays ready in the background. Go further with the Claude Cowork for agentic task. I will be create the video about this also, or the Claude Code for your full development workflow. You can see here which is available. You can download. I'm using the Mac, so I will be clicking the Mac, but I have already downloaded, so I will not be doing the same thing. But you can just click whichever machine you are using and you can download it. All the things are mentioned here, why you need it and so on. I will click this one, go from answers to action with the Cowork. I will be covering a video in the future. And if you go down here, you can read things about it. And now there is this Claude Code. Also, see what Claude Code can do. You can click this one and it takes us to the website, and it says built for developers. There are many things that we can do with Claude Code, and I will be creating series of videos or long form of crash course in the Claude Code itself, because I think to 2026 you need to get hands into this world, agentic CLI or whatever you want to call it. And I think Claude Code is one of that. If you master it, or you don't need to master, but if you know it, and if you start using it, you will definitely at one point master it and use it for your daily activities. So download this first, and once you download, now I will show you how it looks like in the free version. So here is the one that is downloaded in the free version. Looks same, nothing different, because in the free version there is nothing that I can provide you additional to what I showed you in the Claude.ai website. It's almost identical. It's just the application. This runs locally, so you need to update once the new version of it appears. In the website version, you don't need to update it. You can just go there and it's already the latest version. In the future, there might be some things changing here and there, but as of this recording, I don't see anything that I can provide you additional value from the free version of the desktop application also. But now I will show you what is there in the paid version, in the web version. This is the pro version, and now it looks kind of similar. Like there is nothing that I can do, although the code is here. If I click, it says that you need to be using either in this terminal or you need to be using in the VS Code. Now this web version is also coming to the web, and it is in the preview. If I click this one, it will ask me to connect to the GitHub. From here I can do things, but this is still in the research preview. Let me log in locally with the paid version or the pro version, and then I will show you what I can do. Okay, so this is now the pro version or the paid version of it. Now you can see on the top there is this chat which I have been showing you all the time. And now there is another thing also called Cowork here. You can now start, let's knock something off your list. This is still in the research preview, but you can now start working with the Cowork. And here you can select the folders from your local machine and start doing things, so you can automate some of the things I mentioned before. Also, I will be creating video about this in the future. There is this code called Claude Code, and now you can see here it says find a small to-do list and so on. You can select a folder and you can see here there are remote control, the reset of Claude Code on the web and so on. You can even do its connection, but this is from the desktop application itself, but it works better. It depends where you want to work, but you can already work with this Claude Code in the terminal. So I will be showing you in the terminal. You see that it works in the terminal. It works also in the IDEs like VS Code, and you can already work in the desktop version of the Claude. Expect more videos in the future, but why I created this video is that there is this web version where you can log in from any devices with the credentials. It works great, but there are some things which you can do only via the desktop applications, Claude Code and the Cowork. These things help boost your productivity, and you can do many things that the website version is not capable of doing. And also it sits in your machine, so it's easier to get started and do things. Yeah, that's all for the video. I just want to create this video. If you are completely new and maybe thinking, okay, why should I even download it in my machine? So yeah, so I hope this kind of gives you some idea why you need this desktop version of the Claude. I hope that was beneficial for you. That's it. See you in the next one.